was cracking world up, I said it again. That's been my intro for years now, since way back when. This was all just a dream, and I never was developing. This ain't a trip down memory lane to see how far I've been. I was the biggest nobody, that loser kid that always had this crazy vision of rapping a bit. Never spoke about my thoughts and brought up none of it. Cause whenever I did, laughs I get. I didn't care though for real, so I picked up a pen, jotted all these crazy thoughts down that I had from within. Came up with some real lyrics, rhymes, true stories, and then when I was bored, recorded it. Now I'm here rapping. I've never changed who I am and how my islands raised me. Cracks my culture every day when I practice my rhymes. Always proud to be taught in my Latin ways. You can hear it in my lyrics from day one to today. I went from freebies to CDs and changed the game with USBs. Please to be on iTunes now with iTunes. Wow. Just have my tracks and feedbacks, and I'm just getting started, and we'll continue to explore other areas uncharted. Average 2 shows a month. In 2015, they're free ones for the public. School system opened up for a few world famous known acts. On top of that, flew back to the US and had my own acts. Had a couple projects out and an album release party. Requested for being told by the Kansas Society. Got featured on Acoustic Attack 1 as the only rapper to this day that reps Timmy Young. Finally got a project done that included my friend assisting in building this Mariana's hip-hop movement. Got a mini web series up on YouTube that features Mariana's talent for the world to view. See, I can go on forever with what I've done. Ain't trying to show off, just show y'all how far I've come. The ton of feet I speak of, all that I have listed was done regardless and who was pleased or pissed at how I twisted the scene and stayed untraditional and extended the unfinished road for others to grow. I do it for every island rapper that kept their eyes on the prize, and the ones that got for expanding their horizons, the ones that never kept a straight line and got teased their favorite creativeness and originality. I may have opened the door for more musicians all together with a platform to perform. Open to whomever, whether people like it or not, I'm fine with that. So long as I'm shy, cause I'll try and haters react. I ain't the first to do it, but I pursue it effectively, and eventually the world will see our true capabilities. I've been thankful tremendously for these accomplishments. Having spotted select, you don't want the same path I did. I'm happy and proud, never content. And if you think I've done good, you haven't seen. I've had help along the way, working on this dream. I credit many people for the small success that you've seen. To my day oneers, I love it and the support you've given. I'm fortunate that y'all been with me, holding on and believing. When this world started to clear, wasn't clear, y'all stood beside me. You guided me and united me here. I've said it before, and I'll say it once more. We ain't there yet, but these baby steps will get us closer. Entertaining and warm. What more can I say? All that you taught me has brought me to where I'm at today. It was rough and tough, so I show love because of the struggles. I'm humble, I can't thank you enough, and that goes for the Marianas. I swear to God that if you weren't in my life, who knows where I'd be at? What motivation would I have, if any at all? You created me, elevated me, I'm forever grateful. And most of all to my fans, I don't know where I'd be without the love that you show and how you've embraced me. I'm still wild by the fact that you legs in here and gave my nose a chance to flourish and evolve through the years. I will forever do music, that's the passion I've had, but y'all made me realize it's my calling, and that's what I lack. Just as long as one person is inspired and moved, my music stays publicized, then I will continue to do what I do to keep this fire lit. The swan song is silent, the fat lady is quiet, so thanks again for the support. I love all of you. The name's Josh Castro, aka Dos Zeng Zoom. What's up, Oceanside, California?